So this is the x210 frame that I got a year ago when I first built my first quad. This was my first frame from Banggood, and so I've had this frame sitting around and I wanted to do something with it, and I decided to make it a kind of a rocket ship. So I went ahead and built it up with a CLRacing F4 and a Mach 2 VTX here, and I printed a little pod for it. It's TPU, so it's soft and it works out really well. So it keeps out snow and things like that. So that's real good for using in the winter time. And then I had these motors that I got in my drone drop, so they came, you know, I didn't know I was getting them. They're 2500 kV, 2306, so they're pretty heavy duty and high kV, which would be just right. And then I decided to go with these. When I was putting it together, there's a 5-inch frame, but these 5.5-inch props fit on here, and they're pretty aggressive. They're 55-52, so they're you know, they're super, you know, high pitch, and they're really a lot heavier than the 5-inch props. So anyway, I took it out for my first test flight with the 5S battery and these 55-52 props, and it gets up there. So I can you know, take off to the moon kind of thing. So this thing's really lightweight, and it's got a heap of power. So I ordered some motors from Multicopter builders, the MB Primo 2208 2550 kV motors, and those are super premium. The video that you're going to see here is with these props, with the 55-52s and these motors and 5S battery, and it was a perfect day for testing PunchOuts because there was low clouds, kind of a fog hanging up about you know, a couple hundred feet up, and so you could really see, go through the fog, you could really see how you're moving. So anyway, enjoy it, hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.